Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, Pocky. Which state will we talk about today? Thanks, Pocky. N-O-R-T-H spells north. D-A-K-O-T-A spells Dakota. North Dakota. Let's find North Dakota on this map. Here it is. Pocky, can you tell us what the capital of North Dakota is? Thanks, Pocky. B-I-S-M-A-R-C-K. Bismarck is the capital of North Dakota. Let's make the shape of North Dakota using Play-Doh. Here's the shape of North Dakota, and here's the shape of North Dakota. Let's color the flag of North Dakota. Thank you, Mr. Nussbaum. North Dakota was the 39th state to join the Union. They joined in 1889. Their state fruit is the choke cherry.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.